1. The Sun. Cut to the Sun, glowing brightly. The spaceship hovers nearby. Asterisk. Whoa! Look at that giant ball of fire. This is the Sun, the center of our solar system. It's a star that's super hot and gives us light and energy. Did you know it's so big that 1 million Earths could fit inside it? Amazing, right? Interactive question. Can you point to where the Sun is in the sky right now? Waits a moment for kids to respond. Great job. 2. Mercury. The spaceship zooms to a small, gray planet with lots of craters. Here we are at Mercury, the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. It's super hot during the day and freezing at night. Bruh. Mercury doesn't have any air to breathe, so good thing we're in our spaceship. 3. Venus. Next stop, a yellowish, cloudy planet. Say hello to Venus. It's the hottest planet in our solar system because of its thick, toxic clouds. Some people call it Earth's sister planet because they're almost the same size. But trust me, you wouldn't want to live here. It's like a giant oven. 4. Earth. The spaceship zooms to a blue and green planet with swirling white clouds. Home sweet home. This is Earth, our beautiful planet. It's the only place we know where living things exist. We've got water, air, and everything we need to live. Isn't Earth amazing? Interactive question. Can you name your favorite thing about Earth? Waits for responses. I love those answers. 5. Mars. The spaceship arrives at a red, rocky planet. Welcome to Mars, the red planet. Its reddish color comes from iron in the soil. It's kind of like rust. Scientists are super curious about Mars because they think there might have been water here a long time ago. Maybe one day you could be an astronaut who visits Mars. 6. Jupiter. Cut to a massive planet with swirling clouds and a giant red spot. Whoa, Jupiter is huge. It's the biggest planet in our solar system, so big that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. And check out that giant red spot. That's a massive storm that's been going on for hundreds of years. Talk about wild weather. 7. Saturn. The spaceship approaches a golden planet with stunning rings. Ooh, look at those rings. This is Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice, rocks, and dust. Isn't it pretty? Saturn has a lot of moons, too, more than 80. Can you imagine having so many moons lighting up the night sky? 8. Uranus. The spaceship flies to a pale blue planet that's tilted on its side. Next stop, Uranus. This planet is a bit of a side sleeper. It's tilted so far that it spins on its side. Uranus is super cold and covered in clouds. It's also called an ice giant because it's made of icy gases. 9. Neptune. The spaceship reaches a deep blue planet with faint rings. Last but not least, Neptune. It's the farthest planet from the Sun and has the strongest winds in the solar system. Imagine flying a kite here. It would zoom away super fast. The spaceship zooms back to Earth. Captain Nova waves from the screen. And that's our tour of the solar system. We saw the fiery Sun, rocky planets, gas giants, and icy wonders. The universe is full of amazing things to explore, and there's always more to learn. Thanks for joining me, Space Explorers. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming big. Bye. Upbeat music plays as the spaceship flies off into the stars. End screen. Text on screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more adventures with Captain Nova.